Hi YouTube. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the high power battery pack that could be used to, among others, to actually do a jump start of your car when you find that your car battery has gone low and is unable to get your vehicle started. Alright, quick one, let's look what's inside the box. Okay, this here is the charging cable, USB connection for charging your handphones. You also have a cigarette lighter connector to also charge the battery pack. This here is the jumper cable that you will be connecting to the battery pack in order to get your car started. And for the main item, this here is the battery pack. A high power, it is supposed to be 50,800 milliampere hour. Just a quick look at the battery pack itself. Here is a cutter. I don't know if you can see that. This is for your emergency use in case you need to cut your safety belts in the car. This one here is like kind of like a hammer that is used to break your glass in an emergency. This is where you connect your jumper cable. I'll show you in a moment. You have two USB ports. You have the input 12 volt 1 ampere input port for you to charge your power bank. This is the this is to select the different power or voltage that you require. As you can see here, you can actually select 12 volts, 16 volts or 19 volts by clicking here. And this here is the output point. This one here is the indicator to show your battery. This here is the on-off switch. Okay, now let's get this. Let's switch this on. As you can see, the moment you switch this on, the battery indicator will tell you how much of power is available, and right now you've got a full bar. Okay, going back to this little button here, it is actually to switch on your lights here. By pressing once, as you can see, you actually have like a flashlight that you could use in an event of an emergency. You are stuck somewhere in the middle of nowhere and you have no lights. You need some kind of flash lights. Alright, you press it once and as you can see, it'll start to it gives you a strobe effect, and you press it one more time, it will blink much slower than the strobe. Okay, now you switch that off, you press it once again. Right, at this point, if you double press this button, you'll find that you'll actually activate the blue and red light. Very useful as well to attract attention. It's something similar to the police lights, I suppose. To switch it off, just press this button again. Yep, that's the end of that. So that's basically what you find in the power bank. I'll then demonstrate how you actually use it. Alright, now to do a jump start, you need to open this thing here, and as you may or may not be able to see, there is this is a port for you to actually insert the jumper cable, and the jumper cable, as you can see, comes with a flat top here, while the one end is rounded, the other part is flat, and there's only one way you can insert this jack into this one, and i.e. the flat part on top. Put it in, give it a good push, and you're ready to go. Right, as you can see now, I am unable to start my car because the battery is pretty low, so I'll have to now do a jump start. Okay, I'm now going to jump start my vehicle. I open up this socket here. As you can see here, this flat portion goes to the top. You put it in, give it a good push, and it's inserted. You then take it and ensure the terminals are correctly connected, i.e. this here is the positive terminal, while this here is the negative terminal. So you connect the negative and the positive, and you get it started. Presto, it's now started. You disconnect. And there you have it, a power bank that can also be used to jumpstart your vehicle. If you had enjoyed this video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.